It's the Cuisinart Mandoline. I really like it because it's solid. It's just got a solid feel about it. And as far as home cooking goes, it's probably the most solid and well built before you get up into the professional level lines. So it's just got some, the feet on it, a rubberized feet. This folds down for storage, but gives you a good solid base. And then I just wanted to show you, while I've got this side to you, this is actually where you adjust the thickness of your cut for both slicing and for julienne. And that is why I like this too, because there are 4 different cuts that you can do. You can do 2 different types of slices, a straight cut and then also a crinkle cut, so if you want to make fries or things like that. And then on the other side, you can do 2 different sizes of julienne. So it really does have a really swift, easy, uniform look to all your cuts that you're doing. And this thing comes in a box that is heavy duty, solid, so it can be your storage box. Very important to me. Let's see what this mandolin will do, shall we? Easy cleanup, solid device, nice storage container, make some nice cuts. I'd recommend the Cuisinart Mandoline.